want me to? Yeah, if you
So, with the weather today, this isn't the song I was going to open with, but we have an agenda. We have to stay on schedule. So, this is appropriate to the weather. Recently, a very nice gentleman, Drew Winters, I went to see Drew play, and he played a song by this guy, and it's one of my favorite songs, so I promise not to play the same song. So I'll play another one by this guy.
Oh, well, that's it.
Ready?
Yeah.
But it's apropos with the weather.
Summer shower, drying while it soaks the flowers. Maybe we'll be caught for hours, waiting out the rain.
Waiting up the sun.
I know.
It's on the page.
You and me underneath the roof of tin, pretty comfy feeling how the rain ain't leaking in. We can sit and dry just as long as it can pour. It's the way in which you love makes me hope it rains more.
One more chorus.
You and me and the rain on the roof, caught up in a summer shower, drying while it soaks the flowers. Maybe we'll be caught for hours, waiting out the sun.
Oh yeah, let's do a heavier song. That was our warm-up, as if I hadn't been playing for 2 hours.